Alright guys, here it is in all its glory. The 2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure build we just completed. I want to just take a second and go over everything we did to this bike. If I can remember, I will probably forget something. So, like I said, brand new 2019. And we'll kind of start from the bottom up here. So, we've got the KTM Power Parts aluminum skid plate. We did the full aero exhaust. There's the carbon heat shield. I don't know if you can see the exhaust under there, but it's got a good look, substantial weight savings, and a sweet sound. We did the these are the fast adventure pegs with the peg mounts that allow you to adjust so many millimeters each way. We have those in the middle setting right there. Of course, we have our prototype amp hard luggage bags. Okay, up towards the front, we did this KTM Power Parts aluminum radiator guard. The stock one's plastic. The KTM auxiliary lights. These vents, which they'll keep dust and stuff from getting back. Normally they would help filter for the air box, but we took all that off. We put the Rottweiler intake system on it. But these are still going to keep dust from getting back that way at all. We did the headlight guard. The switch for the KTM auxiliary lights goes right there, so that's pretty cool. So we put a Trail Tech Voyager on here just for a second GPS. It makes it kind of nice. You can run your cluster here all the time and then have your GPS here. Don't have to mess with your cell phone or anything for a GPS. We put on the KTM Power Parts handguards, just a lot sturdier than the stock ones. Rottweiler Mirrors, these are cool. They just drill holes to the end of the handguards here, and then these just fold up, so if you crash or lay it over or something, they have a crazy amount of adjustability. KTM Power Parts tank bag. This one's pretty cool. It's a really well made bag, and then it's got like a strap on the front. You just pull it and it pops off. All you have to do is replace a few of the gas cap bolts and it just mounts right here. Scott steering stabilizer with the BRP mounts and risers and everything. Very cool. Oh, we did a Recluse Clutch. This reminded me of it. So the Recluse Radius X, which makes this a really interesting machine. Like I said, the Rottweiler intake, all the Rottweiler SAS delete stuff, power commander, and the auto tuner with it. That all came from Rottweiler. And if you buy that stuff from Rottweiler, they do tune it for you, so you get it and it's ready to install. Of course, there's the Recluse slave cylinder. We put the SW Motec kickstand pad on it. Just a really sweet machine. I'm sure there's probably something else we did that I forget, but this bike is going to travel the TAT in July 2021. So, pumped to see how that goes. Very cool machine. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for hanging out with us, and if you get value from any of these vids, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. We'll see you in the next one. Later.